does have, what did we call it? Was it way station? What was the?
Stay point.
Well, stay point I call it. I think it's C station is what Optimus calls it.
Okay.
There's an antenna up on the hood, on top of the hardtop, and just like stay point, set point, skyhook for Yamaha and Mercury systems, this with the push of a button, the joystick engages with the GPS and the antenna and locks you in position, and the boat will stay stationary. If you're waiting for gas, if you're waiting for a spot at the restaurant, if you're waiting for a bridge opening, if you happen to be in a super low bridge area. So that's a really nice feature.